welcome back to my channel, Lyeorita Rakakaralin with Caroline. And I'm sorry about unused this channel because I want to tell you about my slime and Caroline's slime collection. So today I'm going to show you the glossy slime in the world. I don't mean in the world, but let's see. But first, you have to give the thumbs up to this video if you like it. Subscribe to our channels, to this Caroline channels, and you have to comment down below. Are you like this video or not? But I don't care about it. And then, that's so cute. Come. She just go away. I don't think about it. Alright, so let's start this video, and don't forget to share this video to everyone, guys, because I love you guys, and if you love me too, that means you have to share this video. Is it great? Is it? And yeah, let's start with it. But first, yeah, I don't know how to say again. Let's start it. First, I have this barrel of slime. It's really barrel and jiggly's like a word. Let's open it, and very jiggly. And this looks like glossy. Very glossy is it, guys? And I don't want to say everything again. But this very glossy texture. Jiggly. And I don't know, that's very great. Oh, and it's going from animal. Just like it. Next, I got 3 toasted green slime, and this is the little one. The sound is very great, big, and I love it. I can play it all time. I can read it. And here's the medium. It's same as the little sound. The little slime sound. I don't know how to talk it, but it's very great. Look what I say. And I have the big one from anyone, and this tree slime, it's a gift from my sister Adeline's, you know. It's not same as anything, but I'm totally at this slime about clear slime, but this too, but not same as the two songs. Maybe they're the same, not much. Next, I got blueberry slime from Caroline's Slime Shop, and yeah, I think it's very crispy and fluffy. Well, what did I say? It's very fluffy. And wow, it's very crispy. And I want to try the slime for you guys. And it's so glossy here. I love it here. And crispy, fluffy, and the sound is very good. Crispy slime and sticky too. I think the slime activator is not getting much, but it's okay. I love it. It's totally like a fluffy slime, I think. Yeah, it's fluffy slimes. You know the recipe, Caroline's Slime Shop, and I love to go in there. And really, it's from Carolyn Slime Show. Carolyn Slime Show. And on to the video. Just open it. Next, I got this orange pulpy slimes. It's very nasty and this one is great too. Glossy. Oh my god, it's very glossy. And whoa, it's very glossy like an orange slime, pulpy slime. I love this slime very much. It's from Carolyn's Slime Shop too, and I love this slime very much. Okay, it's time for the next slime. And I choose fluffy slime too, because I really love fluffy slime as much as you guys too. But I don't know. Yeah, I love fluffy slime so much. Okay, next slime.
I got strawberry slime, and Carolyn made this for me, and it not sounds as crispy as this. I'm sorry guys, I'm set off it. So whoa, it's very glossy texture and I love it so much. And big sound, like what I say, I love fluffy slime, and this is a fluffy slime too. I love fluffy slime so much guys. You never know and realize that I love fluffy slime as much as I think. But I don't know about Caroline's. I think Caroline is most like jiggly slime than fluffy slime, because she thought jiggly slime is nothing. I mean, fluffy slime is nothing. But she's wrong about it. Because fluffy slime, I love fluffy slime so much, and it's very big. I love it so much. And next,
I got this silver slime, white slime. Its name is Slime. Yeah. Air slime. And it's very glossy texture and very jiggly. It's Carolyn make it. Carolyn make this. Oh my god, this is very jiggly. And it's very glossy texture. Wow, I love this. Oh my god, this is so heavy. And the sound is very great. So heavy. Hear the sound? I just like a plain water slime. Okay. And I hope you like this video. Subscribe, comment, and share this video. And thank you for watching. And wait for my next video and Carolyn's video. And you should know who am I and what's my fate, the real. Okay, guys. Bye bye. I love you so much. Bye bye. Wait for my next video.